Welcome to the channel. Let us know how to create an auto list with Excel in 2023. To create an auto list with Excel in 2023, follow these steps. Let us select the cells where you want to create the auto list. Type the first few entries in this eras. In this example, I typed Jan and February in cells A1 and A2, respectively. Then, I highlighted both cells and dragged the fill handle down to fill in the remaining entries in the series, March, April, May, etc. Excel recognized the pattern and completed the series automatically. And also, in this example, I typed 1 and 2 in cells 1 and 2, respectively. Then, I highlighted both cells and dragged the fill handle down to fill in the remaining entries in the series 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Excel recognized the pattern and completed the series automatically.